this is going to be my entry for Doc Machina's 420 subscriber giveaway. She asked us to pick a green belt lock on camera. Hashtag Doc420. Tag her in the video to let her know that it's there. So she said to pick a green belt lock, so I got the Master Lock Pro Series. So we're gonna do that, hopefully. Wall Locks Tools 31 thousandths, multi-pick, 0.4 millimeters or 15 thousandths. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, 4, maybe 5, nothing on 2, this is on a 3, 4. Alright, so I'm at a 5. Goes into a little false set. Nothing too crazy. So 1. Did I just overset number 2? Alright, so either slipped off of 1 or I got 1 set. And then number 2. And it is open. So just so you can see. Congratulations, Doc. You made it to 400. I'm pretty sure you'll be at 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 before anybody even knows it. You have a great channel. You're a great picker. If you've never heard of Doc Machina, go check her out. You have to be a subscriber to enter the giveaway. So go subscribe, enter, like, all that good stuff.